Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And it's another day in the life of a Filipino mechanic here in Vancouver, Canada. So for today, we had this 2010 Mazda 3, Mazda Speed 3. It's a manual transmission, and it was towed last night. So we just push it here in my garage. So car won't start. It's manual. And based on my initial check, check this out, guys. There is a broken wire and it's burned. So there's something wrong with this. So is this, I'm not, so this is positive. So this positive wire. So I'm wondering what happened to this. This is white wire. So we might gonna check the wiring diagram. So I already removed the negative cable. Oh my, hold on, let me get a light. So yeah, hold on. So it's burnt wire, white wire, very thick wire. So I already removed the negative cable. So let's go first to my wiring diagram. Let's check what's this white white wire before we start the car, before we jump it. Alright, so this is our wiring diagram. It's a 2010 Mazda 2.3 liters engine, Mazda Speed 3 turbo. So according to our wiring diagram, the white wire goes into your battery. So this is your generator or alternator. This is your battery. There is a fusible link. So number 2, what's number 2 means? So hold on. So if we say number 2, that's the right there. So number 2 is a 2.3 liters engine, that's our car. And yep, it needs a 350 ampere fusible fuse link. It's right there. So that's alternator. So we had as you can see a while ago, it has a cut somewhere in here, a burnt one. So let's go back there on the car. Let's investigate what happened. So alright, so that white wire is coming from your alternator. So this is hot all the time. So is there a possibility that it was shorted to ground? So how do we know if it's the alternator is short to ground, or somewhere between the wire, between here, from here up to there, there's a short to ground. So what we are going to do is connect the battery, then let's get a test light. Okay, so our setup is this. So I already connected the negative cable and then positive. So what we are going to do is get a test light. Where's my test light? Okay. So I'll put this over here on the negative. Hold on, let me just there we go. And then so let's test the positive. So look at this, it light up. So now to check your short to ground over here, we're gonna switch this to your positive. So anything that touch this, like anything that is ground, this should be light up. So if this is shorted to ground, this wire, this Tesla should light up. And let's see, and no, it didn't light up, so meaning it's not short to ground. So let's see that. So anything that ground, our test light will light up, but this wire, nope. So meaning this is not grounded, or it's not short to ground. Okay, that's a good news, but the problem is why it was burned. Doesn't make sense. Let me double check again. Nope, it's not lighting. It's not short to ground, or it's not grounded. See there? See, touch the ground, it will light up. One more time. Nope. Nope. And what? Turn off the light. Because sometimes this is just partly grounded, so it only light up so little. But no, not a single light. Nope. Alright, that's a good news. So what else? So what should we do now? Well, I mean, let's fix this. Okay, so the fuse still working though, it's not blown. So the fuse is right there. Hold on. So the fuse is right here. So if you go on the top, slide up, so you will pass by the fuse, go over here, and it's light up. So we just need a disc like this, and then we're just gonna connect this one. I think we still have enough length. I think so. That's what we are going to do. But I need to look for like this. Let me see, what can I do? Right guys, so what I did is I removed the battery, because I'm really curious what happened to this, why it's burnt. And I found out somewhere in here, look at that, because this is already an aftermarket air filter, and this tube, I don't know if this also aftermarket. It seems like, and look at that. See that lock, what's that? That bolt right there. It rubs into that thing, into that wire. So I think that's the problem. I don't know if you could see it right there. See that? Look at. Let me just remove the entire plastic so that we can clearly see what's in there. So I already removed this plastic cover or plastic tray for the battery, and look at this. Holy crap. It drops in here. This one, this bolt, and seems like there's an open wire over here. I'm not sure. Let me open this. I have not just opened this. Alright guys, so far I don't see any broken wire, and that's a good news. But it's almost, you know, because it's rubbing in here, rubbing on this. Holy smoke. I don't see any open wire. Holy cow, that's a good news. I hope there's no open. But it's almost there. And then I open this up and look at this. Still burnt from here, but over here I can see a fresh wire now. So I'm gonna cut over here and then add a wire, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I've been checking those wire for so long, but I don't see any open wire, so that's good news. So it seems like the problem is only this, the white one. So I have to go to the auto parts store, buy this, you know, size. I don't know what size of wire is this, and I need to buy something like this. Alright guys, so this is just a temporary fix. This is from the old, you know, cable. So I just put some, this one, a shield. I just twist them together. I just want to show you this one, and then just cover it with the electrical tape, and let's see how it goes. Again, it's just a temporary fix. I just want to know if what's wrong with it, if it is the alternator or something else, or wiring problem. So I did tape it really nice. Alright, so let's put back together the battery tray, and then let's try. Hopefully it will start. Alright, so we just made a temporary connection of the white wire that goes to your alternator, and I think this battery is already dead. So let's put a booster pack. Let's see how it goes. So again, these are all temporary. So let's see. Now let me check if there's a power going to that wire. Oh, hold on. Okay. See, come on. Okay. This light. So. Alright. There's a power there. Power. This one. There's a power. But over here. Yep. Yep. So there is a power. Now let's try to restart the car, and I hope it will start. Let's see. Okay. Alright, it start. The problem is I don't know if alternator is grounded. So far so far so good. this. Let's remove it. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me get my multimeter. Alright guys. It's a miracle. Let me show you. It's 14 volts. It's working now. What the heck? It seems like the problem is just this, but anyway, we're just gonna, you know, observe it and let's see how it goes. But so far it's charging. Come on. 1432. Let's go check if there's a check engine light on, and so far none. So wow, that's kind of weird. Well, it's been running for like more than 10 minutes now, and it's charging 14. It's fixed, really, but we're still gonna observe this wire, and I'm still gonna fix, you know what I mean, this. But so far so good. I think that's it. Just a broken wire. Oh, it was fast. Look at this. Alright guys, so everything is back. I already make this really nice, and you know, I tip it. I put a shrink tube in here, and also I double tape it, so it's really good now. I think what happened in here, I think he put a little bit small, you know, battery. That's why it moves. See that? It's moving. I can push it. So there's a big space in here, as you can see. So maybe that's the reason why the wire in here got, you know, got broke or got snapped. So take a look. I can push. See, it's moving. I think it's a wrong battery. And you can push it too. So I'm gonna tell that to the customer, and then he should put, you know, the right size of battery. So but for now I had a temporary fix. Everything is temporary right there. There you go. Now I will move. See that? Put it on the other side. There you go. No, it's not gonna move. Let's test drive the car. Alright guys, let's test drive the car. Let's see how it goes. This is a manual stick. Alright, let's push button. One click. Alright, let's go. I don't know how to use stick now. It's been a while. Let me just close my garage. Hold on. Alright, so I just put this one. As you can see, there's a space in here. I think this is the wrong battery. It moves. Maybe that's the reason why this one got snapped, because it keep on moving. Then this will become old and got snapped. So I'm gonna tell to the customer to buy the the correct size of battery. I guess that's the reason why this car mess up. Just wrong size of battery. Okay, let's test drive the car. Alright guys, so far so good. I'm not gonna film the entire trip because this one is thick. Look at. I need to use my two hands. But so far so good. It seems like the problem is wrong size of battery. So the battery moves every time you're going uphill or downhill, and then that wire become loose, or not loose, got stressed, and then it got snapped and caused all the problem. But now so far so good. Car is running good, and I think it's already fixed. Alright, that's it. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.